Hi, I am Mrs. Cunion Talanya Magnaye Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Cunion Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. Harassment talaga yung nangyayari sa akin. It is truthfulness harassment is what is happening on myself. The harassment is intensity 1 to 10 is 10. They is erotic. The intensity of eroticness is 1 to 10 is 10. And then they is killer. The intensity of them being a killer 1 to 10 is 10. And then they is bullying. Intensity 1 to 10 it is 10. They is killing me. Those person that talks on my ear is criminal. The criminality of them intensity 1 to 10 is 10. Please naman no help. Wala pa rin bang tutulong? Is there no will help me? There is truthfulness gold digger. Please naman no help. They looking when myself is on toilet. That is traumatization intensity 1 to 10 10. The pokpok, the bobo camouflage partner, the person that will be GRO at Taiwan, pokpok the word in here Philippine, they is killing me. Truthfulness is I say, that person is GRO at Taiwan because of their criminality. I already saying of what is my panaginip and yet they is killing me. And then the bobo camouflage is being bumped the head. They is targeting my wedding, oh. Wedding ko yung binabastos. I live in Philippine consistency. And then they will get the what is mine. What they're getting from me is the accuracy. Life existence is what they're getting. Life existence. Kadiri ka, baboy! What they're getting is, for instance, today is April 14, 2025. My body movement it should be on specific of which is they just putting me on Tenga mode. Writing about this. That is how they is getting my life existence. My God, I am a girl gender. Girl gender nowadays, they is on gluta. Oh, I such that. They is stopping me to talk about it. And then what they just putting on my life is harassment on the wedding. They just targeting my wedding day. The bobo camouflage short height, the slash head is killer. Myself is not sleepy. Ano ba? Hello. Killer, patayin! No! I not want bobo camouflage on my life. What they would not want me to say? The destroy that they about their destroying my life. How? Uh the moment the right eye is nervous. How myself is being destroyed, ruined. Feeling is mostly what there is targeting. What it is on the feeling. Masipag, palaisip. This is mostly palaisip. Tends to think every day, which is with feeling. And then, masipag tends to do a body movement when it, such as household chores. When it is not household chores, it is bedroom. When it comes into bedroom, on self, bedroom on self. If it is on bedroom, tidiness. If it is on self, beautification. Now, masipag tends to do body movement, busy mode. Daily basis of myself, daily basis, meaning to say, repeat it. Ayan na, o diba? Yuck. Wait, no! There is no lesson in here. They is criminal. They getting of what is mine. The masipag, each day I live, I tends to be busy. The busyness, meaning to say, the vibes of ambience and on surroundings of myself feels tends to such as moves as well. There is a description, meaning to say when I say the surroundings of my bedroom, if it is being moves, it tends to be dirty, something such that. That is why myself is busy. The dirtiness is such as messy. The messy about is such as a edge corner, something such that, not align. And then dust mostly dust, not dirty. So not about not align, not messy, dirty, not dirty, dust, it is dusty. And then the meaning of it is myself is productivity. Oh, ayan na. My left eye is awake of such as, ooh, gumaganyan yung left eye ko. My doing is should be happens grade 5 on my life. Who return it? Ay na ano. Continue lang talaga ako. Hang up. I know what in here. What else in masipag? Specific. It moves. 1 week. During Saturday is cleaning. Pira-piraso man. Pira-piraso. Pira-piraso when myself clean on barangay pinagsama, myself is tends to do body movement of slow motion. It has feeling. When myself body movement at barangay pinagsama, it is such as on cleaning only. No feeling. They tends to get my feeling. DC. Disconnects ko. Oh. Yes, disconnects to. Masipag. Feeling mas of masipag. So even my body has feeling. Buhay na buhay. Lover, let's go. Why such this happens on myself? I think meron talaga silang, I think there is body movement that they did. Oh, I will say this. I not want to say it. They tends to remove the in cheek, or they tends to put the in cheek. Ah, they tends to remove the in cheek, and then they tends to uh replace it of other in cheek on my self. Very wrong. Year 2021. Who is the person from University Kadiri of Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri? I not want to say the name, but person be dead. When I hear Taiwan song, no feeling, hard to, difficultness. How does it happen? Has feeling on Taiwan? When I hear the voice, not the voice. When I hear the dialecto, when it is year 2015, so not that is only natural. Natural there is. Ah, not what inchi inchi. Mm, color gold. Mm. Oh? Ah, wait lang. Ah, wait. Oh. Then I will talk about mall na mall. Mall na ako, mall. Mall. Ah, wait lang. I will talk. Nasa goodness to. I will talk now. Mall. On mall. Hmm. Mall na mall. Why? Why the it? Dami ko na on to talk. I will talk now on mall. I smiled due to what I say a while ago on about Inchik dialecto. The Inchik line. Inchik line dialect is Inchik line. Small na ako. I will show this. So this one, such this renovation investment. It is during March 18, 2025. March 18, 2025. And then it is uh, the vibes of myself is being teach. Being teach. Oh, March 18, 2025, I write it because it is about investment. It is just for instance, for example, I not want to say example because there is traumatization that is being put of the right eye. What I use is for instance. Happy ato happy. I'm ito. What could I say about it? On talking, it is such as being say of the strategy of how it is being formed about mall, such that because on mall, I have panaginip in there. Panaginip. Oh, I have panaginip at McKinley Hill Mall. Street renovation or being something change into something and I want to behave. Street renovation it is focuses me on what I will say. Am I will be blamed? Is they will blame me? I not know. But that is my insight during that moment. If it is, yeah, the portion on myself is the amount of which is, for instance, single entity or group entity of person. That is. And then, myself leads to renovation investment McKinley because I am thinking of, what am I thinking? Wait lang. I am thinking of McKinley Mall when it comes into renovation indoor. Because my talking leads to there is a renovation there is there is panaginip at McKinley Hill myself is, and then the teaching portion is talking about the essence of mall the essence of mall. The essence of mall, of how it is being on accountability. So that is the teaching portion. Wait. So meaning to say, huh? But I am the person that thinks of it of such that a single entity, then group entity of person. What do I think of? There is person that tends to copy me when it comes on to talking about sense of humor. I not know. It is such as myself is on thinking process of renovation investment the word. And then there is a specific person that tends to talk as well in about investment and then teaching. So parang there is two, parang other I am the other person, and then there is other person at not what you it is such as I am a person, and then there is other person that tends to get of what is my talking. Am I being understood? Yung the kabit is in here, oh, the right eye tends to get of what is mine. Oh my god, I am just inside of the house. Please naman, no help. So it is such as myself inside of the house is thinking of investment, renovation, and then McKinley Hill. And then because of the situation of myself, there is a moment of wherein it is being get of the specific person, my talking, and then it is being says to other person of which is excuse me, akin lang, akin. Getting of what is mine. I will talk now. So that is March 18, 2025. Hala! Oh! Ayan na ba yun? How days on body movement. The shouting person, girl gender, oh. I could hear on the right side. They already as well knows of of the situation, and then they talks on shoutness about doon na police nagsumbong. That America. Oh my God. Logic. Am I being understood? I will write it. Such this illustration. This one. Thinking process, talking. Then this one is black magic. Such this is the drawing, and then tends to copy thinking process of this person. Am I being understood? Crime there is. I not use black magic, so why myself is such this situation? I not know. Ay ko. Oh, why am I describing? Yay! And then, There is knowledge when it comes to under government. Another moment when I write it, it is such as multiple count of person on the right eye. And then, what is being emphasized of right eye is opposite gender of girl. And then, they is putting heaviness on myself. Heaviness. Money. My friend Alex ko. Money. Lover Lex ko. Gusto na may Alex ko. And then the road is at McKinley Hill. Huge person. Na huge. Multiple count of person. Such as group. They is group. And then, such as working on business company. Huh? Huh? Tahimik ko. On myself. Why such that? Why such that? Why such that feeling? Why do I feel it instead of myself is busy mode to Alex Jr. ko? Oh! Ah! Di ba? Hmm? I have socialization specific day is. I am waiting to that moment. What? What did they will blame me? Na ano? Blame meaning to say of such as uh bad doing. Hindi. Oh, there is person tutuks on my mouth. And then, information. It is such as I am writing and then they know about it. Why? I not use black magic. Why? I not know. I am thinking the word investment and then I remember McKinley Hill panaginip in the renovation. Why they is tends to involves me that I not know about it. I not know. I need to. Kaloka. What else? Else? About mall. During my mall that I say, the fifth floor, the five floor, the A and then O mall at Baclaran, Pasay City. After that, may talking leads to Europa. Talking about mall, year 2022. So the Baclaran Pasay City Mall that I think of is year 2020. It is year 2020. Oh, it is year 2020. And then year 2022, myself is being put on talking on Europa. Why? What is being show on my right eye? Strategy of Kabit. Getting of what is mine. Never, let's go. And then, on Europa about mall, myself is being put on money heist. It is truth happenings. Money heist. I not watch yet Money Heist drama series on Netflix. You should put it. I not know why. Ika gusto na Alex ko. Married ka Alex ko. Married kami ni Alex. Oh, when I say it, oh, I feel this at the moment on the right eye. Na-on you. On Europa, the money heist when they sing Bella Ciao, it is truth happening on my life. I am waiting. I am with Corina, and then Alex ko, and then Isulan. Ate Michelle is in there as well. And then Kuya Michael. Let's see. Never apologetic is me. What else it is? What it is about? It is being put on imagination, but it is truth happening. Truth happening. Oh, truth happening. And then, energetic day is wants to happen. Wants that moment to happen. Allah. The 24-year-old during year 2022. The opposite gender of girl from Europa. That person is good. Good person there is. Good person. New recruitment. That person. 24-year-old. Black, color black. The first task of him is... Ay, naan to talk. Oh, I should talk. The first task of him is... Uh, how, how does it being say during 2022? Guarding. Guard. And then the other is to walk, to count. Hi. Oh, it's good that I say it. It is good that I say it. To count. It is the task. It should be one count and ano. Gali. And then who to count is his task. What it is on myself. It is on the right eye. Right eye. Oh. Buffering at the moment. I will be at the moment. And then, this is the portion that I will say on mall already, and then myself is will talk on another talking. What is on the mall? Why such that? I not cite the opposite girl gender, and then I cite it on the right eye. No. Next. The mall. They have... Oh my god, I feel shy. I feel shy. But it is year 2022. Mm, year 2022. Wait lang. Dahan-dahan. Mall on Europa. It is being built, established. And then, uh, thinking process of the right eye. The right eye is saying, I'm not getting anything that not mine. Kaya nga, but I will talk. What is being said of the right eye? This is the right eye. I not think of it. The right eye is saying, this is your mom. Something. My face is not there. That is what is being said on myself. Mall at Europa. And then, oh my god. Oh, there is person, oh. And then, uh, where is your lawyer? Wait lang. I'm not assuming. I'm not getting of what is not mine. Yeah. Now. Now I want you. Please. Now the next is when it comes onto the mall, saying, "Oh, where is the transaction already?" Something such that. And then, uh, huh? Suddenly the mood is being on a situation of what? Sabi niya, is that why? Something such that. And then, year 2022 is what myself is talking about mall and Europa. And then behave. Is the right eye. Oh my God. Gulantang. Shucks. Is me. And then, wait, saying, uh, lawyer, you need lawyer, sabi niya. In English, dialecto, that portion. And then the person says, "Oh, you have no money." And then I will figure it out, sabi niya. Oh, that is Dries. Happy Sinus. Hmm. Happy Sinus. And then, what else on that mall? The opposite gender of girl says, "Oh, you could go indoor and indoor on that building, whatever you sight." And then, "Oh, I forgot. I forget. Oh, your English is forget and forgot." And then, "You is on that country. You could not go in here." And then, mm, during that moment, anyway, uh, do what is your about to do, and then I will figure it out, sabi niya. I not know. Kata pesto. And then, ayan. Kaya lang, kaya lang. 开蓝，这学期是这个项目不拉不拉，拉不拉这个项目不拉不拉，拉不拉，拉不拉。I I not know the word blah blah. And then that is during year 2022. The next already Emma Watson, year 2022 that is. I not know why this pops up. Why? I am with her on mall. I not know what mall. And then I myself on mall is barefoot. What does it mean? I not know. Oh, lover niya. Let's go. What else? Right. Oh my God. Nagugutom to. I want to eat. And then, I have a moment to Emma Watson. Emma Watson pops up on imagination video walking on inside of mall. Why? Nano. That is year 2022. Am I already done on year 2020 on mall? During year 2022, that vibes inside of the rental house. My feeling is about calm, and then saying is I not assumer, I not tends to get of what is mine, such that of what I say, not saying of what is I say, and then when it is being say, uh, the portion of my talking a while ago, the lawyer, myself during year 2022, I say, uh, I'm not getting of what is not mine. Goodness person is me, work, love, life, travel. That is what my saying. And then, but that is the portion of, that is the about mall. Am I already done talking indoors? But that is what my talking on mall. Talking meaning to say that is what happened. That is what happens on my life, which is I say on camera video. What about the pops up? Emma Watson is I not think of. I just read the Instagram post of her. Why? I not know why. Damn it too. Galing. Amazing it is. So uh I will finish my camera video at this moment. 58 minutes and 55 seconds. Nothing else to say and more. When the person talks, it is on the right eye and then right forehead. Right forehead. At the moment, myself is busy. What is good that I talk? Hmm, nothing else to say. Is it right eye or right forehead? Right forehead. Right eye. Right eye. This is summer next ko. Favorite. The mall. I saw it on Facebook, and then myself tends to talk about it. Ganon. I saw it on Facebook. My feeling when I saw it on Facebook, such as ignorance myself because first encounter to sight mall of other country, Europa. What else? Like I